Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I've personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So just taking a quick look at Chainlink then on our daily time frame. As we can see, getting a very significant retrace to the downside over the past few days. Pretty much totally because Bitcoin is retracing on the charts. Taking a quick look at Bitcoin, you can see we've had these big bearish divergences for Bitcoin for a while. The price action has been grinding to the upside and the RSI has been dropping. Momentum to the upside for Bitcoin has been dropping. And then coming into this big area up here of resistance at that 127 Fibonacci area. It's easy to imagine that we could have been getting a retrace at some point soon. I've been saying this in my videos for literally weeks now, that Bitcoin potentially could be starting to drop soon and get a big flush of our altcoins to the downside. And you can see over the past 3 days we've had three big red days for Bitcoin's price action, breaking down from that support level and probably going to be heading back down towards this 80 to 85k area in my opinion over the next few weeks, getting a nice retrace. Decembers are typically bearish for Bitcoin, as we well know if you look at the statistics from previous years. And also we've had this huge move to the upside that's barely had any pullbacks since 50k. We've obviously had a bit of a pullback here and a little bit of the previous all-time high resistance, but really at least from here, from around 67k to the all-time high, we've barely had any pullbacks at all. And it did seem likely to me that we'd come down and have a 30, 40, maybe even 50% retrace of the local move. We could even come down and retest the previous all-time high resistance as support. I think that would be fairly likely in my opinion. We could see here that we are basically moving up to a new all-time high, but we've had a significant pullback now, and we could easily see ourselves retracing back down into this area here where we've got previously on the way up. We've had lots of big 30, 40, 50% retraces before we have been seeing a new high, and you can see here, no exception here, Bitcoin's pushed to a new all-time high of 108-ish K. But it seems likely to me that it was going to have a pullback at some point. And because of this, we have seen Chainlink starting to retrace as well. Pretty much entirely because of Bitcoin retracing. We know that when Bitcoin drops, the whole altcoin market becomes highly correlated to it. And you can see Chainlink here, it did come up and make a new swing high, almost tapping that 0.78 Fibonacci extension. Fibonacci retracement level I should say, but now looking like we are dropping back down to support, looking for an area of support. The past 3 days here, big red days as you can see, but overall Chainlink looking quite strong compared to a lot of cryptos. Polygon I've been looking at absolutely destroyed right now in terms of price action, but these large caps like Chainlink, Cardano, XRP etc are all holding their very nice bullish market structure that they've made. Honestly looking really good for potential continuation. And as I've been saying, we've had that 1-2 waves of the bull market play out. This could potentially be the end of the third wave, where we start to see ourselves retracing and consolidating in this area before that final fifth wave to the upside for a new all-time high. I think this is possible for Chainlink to get up towards $100 or so. Right now sitting at $20 as we can see in and around the 618 Fibonacci, but overall still looking really bullish on the macro. But as I said, Bitcoin leading the market right now, and really it's all eyes on what Bitcoin does next to decide what's going to happen in the markets. If we do start getting a bounce anywhere in the local area and maybe a little sideways consolidation, we'll probably see our altcoins start to do the same, consolidate and go sideways. If Bitcoin continues down, we will continue to see a very nice flush of all this leverage in the markets and people panic selling their positions on the way back down into this area here, probably from $15 to $20. Overall, I think Chainlink's going to be fine. It's just following what Bitcoin's doing right now. Just got to see what happens next. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing. Or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well. And like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.